Cerapedics produces a putty that goes in the spine. It is used by spine surgeons to fuse everything together. It is a product that is used to help patients relieve their pain and to provide structure so that patients are able to have a better quality of life. We're very proud of the product we produce. We are a company that's growing rapidly. So the biggest challenge we had was how are we going to grow into our future?
There were quite a few benefits that came out of the solution that we helped with them. First, for example, there were areas of the business that were running on paper and spreadsheets at best. And so because S/4HANA Cloud is an enterprise solution, we were able to digitize, if you will, those business processes that were previously out of the game and have visibility to what's going on in those areas around distribution and manufacturing and so forth.
They did a really great job of learning really what our process is so that they could really develop it into what we needed. I do all of our production orders and a lot of our purchasing, and using this new product really helped make that more efficient. It takes a lot less of my time, so it was a really great process.
In addition, we helped bring additional visibility on the financial processes, as well as in the order to cash area. We were able to integrate S/4HANA Cloud with another solution that really helped bring the Cerapedics customer into that order to cash process in much more collaborative fashion, really helping increase Cerapedics touch points with their customer, and on the supply chain side, really helping push out more product to their customers more quickly.
To have a cloud-based ERP system, especially these days, it's really facilitated my team being able to work from home, being able to log in at any time to really support our distributors because they work 24/7, our surgeons work 24/7, so it's really enabled us to keep pace with sales in our market. And working with NIMBL, it's been a journey, and now we have ongoing customer support that has been phenomenal.
S/4HANA Cloud is really going to feed and help support their growth, which, from what I've seen over the last 18 months has been absolutely dynamic and tremendous. And every time we talk to the client, they talk about how S/4HANA is helping them achieve that growth.
NIMBL has done a great job kind of understanding our business, and then especially as new features get rolled out, kind of recognizing when things are going to be relevant for us, and then getting them kind of go through the whole QA process and turn them into live production, and very diligent about always making sure any changes going into production are going to work smoothly, nothing breaks, and that's something we really appreciate, the seamlessness of some of the changes we've made to our business.